before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure plus 0.15. Contrast plus 26. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 82. Whites minus 95. Blacks minus 15. Go to color. Vibrance plus 5. Saturation plus 6. Go to grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 236. Saturation 19. Blending 100. Slide up. Go to next grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 190. Saturation 9. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue plus 13. Saturation plus 11. Luminance plus 4. Go to orange color. Hue minus 19. Saturation plus 5. Luminance plus 8. Go to yellow color. Hue minus 100. Saturation minus 100. Go to green color. Hue minus 38. Saturation minus 100. Luminance -100. Go to aqua color. Saturation -100. Go to blue color. Saturation -100. And done. Go to effects. Clarity -8. Dehaze +28. Vignette -19. Midpoint 14. Feather 100. Slide down. Roundness +53. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 44. Noise reduction 25. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Slide up. Go to light. Go to curve. Red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.